The pain-relieving essential oil blend anyone with sciatica needs to know about and use daily. At a point in our lives, almost all of us will experience some sort of bodily soreness or pain that we will not know the direct cause of. Many of us have already experienced this. Between 60 to 80% of all American adults are experiencing lower back pain. The lower back isn't the only part of the body that is susceptible to chronic pain, although it is the most common. People all around the world constantly suffer from neck, hip, knee and muscle pain. Although lots of healthy, average people suffer from this type of pain and lead normal lives, in many cases it can be debilitating. In order to live comfortably, people who suffer from this kind of pain have to take over-the-counter or prescription painkillers. Although these relieve them of their pain, oftentimes they cause a variety of other health problems that require further medical attention. Over-the-counter painkillers have been found to cause nausea, rashes and liver damage, while prescription painkillers can cause more serious problems such as osteoporosis, cataracts, anxiety, blurred vision and more. This is why I am going to share with you an all-natural pain reliever that won't cause all of these unpleasant side effects, but first I am going to discuss some of the root problems of joint, muscle and nerve pain. What causes this type of pain? Many people experience these types of pain, such as soreness or a pinching feeling near joints, and the causes of these types of pain can vary. For example, many cases of lower back pain are caused by injury, usually due to lifting something heavy with improper form or twisting or bending your back in a certain way. Muscle pain, which can affect both the minor and the major muscles in your body, is often caused by tension, stress, overuse or damage to the muscles. These causes can come in the form of muscle cramps, sprains and strains. People also often feel muscle pain after doing resistance exercises, weightlifting, body weight exercises etc., which is called delayed onset muscle soreness, DOMS. Although muscle and joint pain are often caused by physical activity, blunt force, DOMS, injury, there are a lot of cases of this pain being caused by health problems that begin internally. For example, chronic muscle pain can be caused by a variety of diseases and illnesses. Some of these include chronic fatigue syndrome, dystonia, the flu, rheumatoid arthritis, staph infection, hypothyroidism. Leg and back pain can also be caused by internal factors. Sciatica is a medical diagnosis that often comes as the result of other back problems, the most common being a herniated lumbar disc. When a spinal disc is herniated, it means that it is bulging out of place. If this happens in the lumbar region, then there is a good chance that this herniated disc will press against the sciatic nerve, which is what causes sciatica. The sciatic nerve is the largest single nerve in the human body and runs from the lower back, through the buttocks and along the back of each leg. When this nerve is pinched by a herniated lumbar disc, it causes both back and leg pain, and is sometimes severe enough to cause pain in the foot. It is described as a tingling pain and is accompanied by numbness and weakness of the leg. Natural pain-killing mixture. There are many organic painkillers that can be found in nature and are very effective at treating joint, muscle and nerve pain. One of these painkillers is helichrysum. Helichrysum are a genus of flowers that consists of over 600 species. Its essential oil is commonly used in alternative and traditional medicine to relieve pain. It is often used in aromatherapy, but in order to treat muscle and joint pain you have to apply it topically. It is used to treat all types of back and neck pain, and injuries caused by physical trauma such as bruises, strains or sprains. Peppermint download is an incredibly versatile and effective pain reliever. One study recorded in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that a solution containing peppermint oil was able to reduce lower back pain significantly, so much that researchers contemplated comparing it to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Peppermint oil also has significant pain-relieving properties when it comes to treating patients with nerve pain. One patient suffering from postherpetic neuralgia, which is nerve pain caused by damage from a virus, was topically treated with peppermint oil and experienced a reduction in pain which lasted for 4–6 hours after applying. Peppermint oil also produces much less side effects than typical pain treatment. To apply these two painkillers, simply mix 2 or 3 drops of each oil into a vial or a very small bottle and mix. Then rub this mixture into the area of your body where you are experiencing pain. You may need to use more oil if the body part you are rubbing is relatively large. You should feel somewhat instant pain relief or reduction. If, after a few applications, you feel that you are not getting the full effects of this painkiller, try mixing in some castor oil with the mixture. Many patients and experts alike claim that castor oil is able to help with the absorption of other substances that are applied with it. Place a hot water bottle on the affected area for 10–15 minutes afterwards as well, as heated compression also helps with absorption. Let us know if this all-natural painkiller worked for you.